I have always had a passion for design and creating things. From a young age, I was always tinkering with anything I could get my hands on. I was never content with just leaving something the way it was. I always wanted to make it better. Let's get into what I will be focusing on this channel. Hello everyone, my name is Ankur Katal and I am a product designer. And I am passionate about design thinking and design systems. I am excited to share my knowledge and experience in the world. Design thinking is a process of using creative solutions to solve problems. It involves identifying the problems, creating the solutions, and testing them to ensure they will work. Design systems, on the other hand, are more focused on creating cohesive user experience by using a consistent set of design elements. I believe that design thinking, design systems, and branding are the essential components of creating a successful brand. In my videos, I will be discussing topics such as how to use design thinking to develop innovative solutions, how to identify the right challenges, how to create a design system, and how to create a unique brand identity. I'll be also exploring case studies of successful branding and design systems and discussing best practices for creating successful products and services. I'm a firm believer in the power of collaboration. I believe that the best solutions come from working together, and I'm eager to bring people together to discuss design thinking, design systems, and branding. I want to create an open and inviting space on YouTube where people can come together to share their ideas and experiences. I'm excited to begin this journey and hope that you will join me as I explore design thinking and design systems. Let's work together to create something amazing. What do you think? If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about design thinking, design systems, and branding, please like, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell icon to make sure you don't miss any updates. I look forward to exploring these topics with you, and I can't wait to see what we can create together. Oh, sorry, there's one more thing. I am now offering one-on-one calls and will be doing some live streams and workshops on superpeer.com. You will get personalized advice and guidance from me, as well as the chance to collaborate with other like-minded people. My upcoming workshop will teach you the fundamentals of design thinking and design systems. I will be covering topics such as how to start into UX industry, how to make a UX portfolio if you don't have anything to showcase, and there will be some freebies to help you get into the design world. So subscribe now on my Superpeer page and let's get started. Click the link in the description below. Also,